At first glance, it seems chaotic, a riot of green, tangled, and wild. But beneath, scientists call these forests the lungs of our world. But that phrase barely captures their power.
Beneath our feet lies a world few have witnessed, the hidden architecture of life itself. As dawn touches the jungle, life awakens in unison. Every leaf, every branch, every creature vibrates.
The jungle is a world of infinite diversity. Every species, from the tiniest ant to the largest predator.
In the jungle, every moment carries tension.
While the canopy dazzles, the true work of the jungle happens quietly below. Ants transport leaves and nutrients.
Rivers carve the jungle's veins. They are the lifeblood of the forest, carrying water, nutrients, and energy through every corner of this vast ecosystem.
Beneath the surface lies a world as complex as the forest itself. Microorganisms recycle nutrients.
Every year, the rivers rise and the forest adapts. Floods transform the landscape, replenishing soil. Predators, prey, and everything in between rely on the rivers. Jaguars hunt for fish, birds dive for insects. Above the forest floor lies a world almost entirely unknown to humans, the canopy kingdom. Life here.
Birds are the jewel of the canopy, each species fulfilling a critical logical function.
Primates rule the canopy with agility, intelligence, and social complexity. Grooming strengthens bonds. Play teaches survival.
Plants in the canopy are not passive observers. They are architects and engineers. Giant trees form structure.
Below the canopy lies a world often overlooked, the shadowed floor of the jungle. Decomposers, ants, termites, fungi, and microbes are the unsung heroes of the jungle. Insects dominate the forest floor, their numbers staggering, their roles indispensable.
Symbiosis defines the forest floor. Life forms live together, share resources, and protect one another in.
As daylight fades, the jungle transforms. Shadows lengthen, and the familiar rhythms of the day.
Night hunters emerge with precision, patience, and skill. Jaguars move silently through shadowed undergrowth. Ocelots.
In darkness, the jungle speaks in new languages. Clicks, croaks.
As darkness envelops the jungle, life continues its eternal rhythm. Predators and
Among the jungle's living layers, there are giants. Trees that have stood for... Beneath the surface, these giants are linked in intricate networks of roots and fungi. Mycorrhizal threads form a hidden communication web.
Vines and lianas act as natural bridges, connecting trees and enabling movement across the forest canopy.
These giants are more than trees. They are repositories of memory and resilience. Through centuries, they have witnessed. As night blankets the jungle, a different symphony begins. Frogs, insects, and nocturnal...
Predators and prey coexist in a delicate nocturnal harmony. Jaguars stalk silently, snakes slither.
The smallest creatures provide the jungle's backbone of sound. Insects hum, frogs croak.
Who conducts this orchestra? There is no visible conductor, yet harmony. Rain is the jungle's lifeblood. The first drops awaken the forest, stirring leaves, soil, and creatures alike. As the rain intensifies, rivers swell, shaping the land and nourishing ecosystems.
Life responds immediately to the rain. Creatures adjust their behaviors, plants grow, and fungi release spores into the wet air.
Rain is the jungle's heartbeat, a rhythm that has pulsed for millions of years.
Humices. Much of the jungle's intelligence is invisible. Tiny threads, and subtle chemical signals create.
symbiosis is nature's blueprint. Frogs find shelter in moss. Plants grow on decaying logs.
Pollination is one of the jungle's most elegant invisible systems. Birds, bees, much of the jungle communicates in ways invisible to us. Chemical signals, vibrations, and subtle movements convey messages between species.
Hidden within the jungle's layers are its stealthiest inhabitants, the carnivores. Jaguars, ocelot. Hunting in the jungle is an art perfected over millennia. Predators read their environment, detect minute movements. Stealth is survival. Strategy guides every action. Predators learn the habits of prey, exploit weakness.
Carnivores are the jungle's guardians, maintaining ecological balance and biodiversity.
In the jungle, survival often depends on mastery of vertical space. Primates swing gracefully, navigating. Birds are the jungle's winged architects. Pollinators, seed dispersers, and communicators, they bridge the forest's vertical layers.
Arboreal mammals navigate the jungle's upper layers with skill and ingenuity. Tails, claws.
Above the forest floor, life is layered, interactive, and highly specialized. Predators.
The jungle is more than a collection of trees, rivers, and creatures. It is a living tapestry, woven through millennia of evolution. Beneath the surface and above the canopy, life communicates in ways invisible to us. Roots share nutrients.
Life in the jungle is shaped by cycles: day and night, storm and sunshine, growth. The jungle endures because it is alive in every sense, physically, ecologically.
The jungle that has endured for millennia now faces unprecedented challenges. Human activity.
Conservation is the jungle's hope. Through scientific research, protection efforts, and collaboration,
Modern technology provides new ways to understand and protect the jungle. Drones track elusive species and AI. The future of the jungle is uncertain, yet full of possibility.
Even in a world that has been studied for centuries, the jungle guards its secrets. Deep valleys and dense thickets hide life yet to be discovered. The jungle is home to creatures rarely seen by human eyes. Species that evolve in isolation develop unique adaptations.
Microhabitats harbor life invisible to the casual eye. Leaf litter, moss, and tree cavities.
The jungle is a frontier without end, a living world full of mystery, intelligence, and hidden wonders.
Rivers and streams are the veins of the jungle, carrying water, nutrients, and life across the forest.
Beneath the water's surface lies a thriving, complex world. Fish navigate currents, amphibians leap with precision. Seasonal floods transform rivers into agents of renewal. Water carries seeds, nutrients, and organisms.
rivers connect life, linking the smallest insect to the largest predator. Aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems are interval.
As the sun sets, the jungle undergoes a transformation. Shadows lengthen, and a new cast of creatures appear.
Night brings a symphony of sounds, rhythms, and signals. Frogs call to attract mates. Insects produce rhythm.
The jungle's night is a time of unseen labor. Small mammals search for food, fungi.
Some species in the jungle are relics of a time long before humans walked the earth. These living fossils, ancient.
The jungle is not merely a habitat, it is a living archive of Earth's history. Its apex predators and ancient species act as guardians of the jungle. Their existence maintains ecological balance and legends of the jungle are not only stories, they are living realities. Ancient lineages.
While the jungle giants capture our imagination, its true architects often go unseen. Insects and microorganisms shape the forest from below.
Small creatures facilitate life on a grand scale. Pollinators transfer genetic material between.
Below the surface, a hidden network thrives. Microbes and fungi connect roots, recycle nutrients, and even communicate chemically between plants.
The jungle's silent architects leave a lasting legacy. insects, Rainfall defines the rhythm of the jungle. Each drop nourishes plants, replenishes streams, and triggers migrations, growth, and reproduction.
The dry season tests resilience. Water becomes scarce, and survival depends on adaptation.
Seasonal shifts trigger journeys of survival and reproduction. Birds, insects, and mammals move across the forest. The jungle is a living system in perpetual motion. Every organism, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, adapts to seasonal cycles.
The giants of the jungle are not just trees. They are living pillars that sustain life.
The canopy is a kingdom ruled by the giants. Epiphytes, vines, and arboreal mammals create a layered world, thriving above the forest floor. These towering trees are architects of time. They shape microclimates, regulate temperature, and support.
Life thrives in the shadow of giants. Young plants grow, animals shelter, and microorganisms recycle nutrients. Predators are the jungle's regulators, shaping populations and maintaining balance.
The jungle's balance is fragile, yet remarkably resilient. Predators prevent overpopulation. Prey ensures predators survive.
The predator-prey relationship is not cruelty. It is a vital intelligence of life.
The jungle is a pharmacy older than human memory. Its flora contains compounds that heal, protect, and sustain life.
Traditional knowledge preserves the jungle's secrets. Generations have learned which leaves soothe.
Modern science validates what indigenous knowledge has known for centuries. Plant compounds are being studied.
The jungle heals itself and, in turn, offers healing to life beyond its borders. Its plants. Hidden within the jungle's dense foliage are rivers and streams, lifelines that sustain every creature.
Waterfalls are more than spectacle, they are ecosystem architects. Spray nourishes mosses, mist cools the surrounding air.
Even the smallest streams shape the jungle. They transport nutrients, support aquatic life, and replenish soils.
Water connects every corner of the jungle, sustaining life across the forest. From hidden streams to roaring waterfalls. The jungle is a master of illusion. Its creatures have evolved extraordinary ways to disappear in plain sight. Camouflage is a game of life and death. Predators rely on it to approach their prey unseen, while prey uses it to evade detection.
Mimicry is a marvel of adaptation. Some species deceive their predators or prey by imitating.
Lord do it well. Camouflage teaches us that survival is often about subtlety, patience, and intelligence.
As the sun rises, the jungle awakens in a symphony of sound. Birds call to claim territory.
As day fades, a different orchestra emerge. Nocturnal creatures take over the stage, calling, hunting, and navigating by sound.
The jungle is a vast network of sound. Vibrations and calls travel through leaves, branches, and water.
The jungle teaches that life is not only seen but heard, felt, and sensed. Its symphony.
Rivers are the arteries of the jungle, carrying water, nutrients, and life through every. Rivers create habitats that support a staggering diversity of life. From microscopic organisms to.
Rivers are dynamic, responding to seasonal changes with rhythm and precision. Rising waters nourish forests.
Rivers connect life in ways visible and unseen. They are highways for fish. The jungle is more than a forest. It is a living library of life, wisdom, and resilience. Each tree.
Intelligence in the jungle is not measured by thought alone. It is encoded in adaptation, cooperation.
The jungle's future depends on us. Protecting it safeguards intelligence, life, and the delicate balance that sustains our planet.
Angels. The jungle teaches patience, resilience, and the profound intelligence inherent in life itself.